Hi everyone, it's Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I want to share one really good thing about ShinglEx 800. The flexibility we have with color. We do offer standard colors like clear, black, gray, brown, red, green and white. But we also understand that as a contractor, your goal is to make your customer happy. And sometimes that means finding just the right shade. The good news is, because we make the product here, we can adjust the color based on your job. For example, today I got a call from a friend who is a roofing contractor here in Berkeley. He wanted to show different shades of gray to his customer. So what I'm going to do is apply 4 different gray variations on an actual shingle, side by side, so we can see how they really look in action. Let's get started. All right, whether you are a contractor, a homeowner, or anyone working on a roofing project, if you need a specific color or want fine-tune a shade, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you get it right. Questions, comment below. Like it, hit like. Want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.